Storm Track 5 weather team, alerting you to severe weather danger.
Well, the evening commute flowing along nicely as we take a look in Johnson City, North State of Franklin, Bank of Tennessee. Camera folks getting about, getting home, and getting a little damp as they do so as well this evening. Some rain showers continuing across the entire region. Heavy rain in spots, especially towards Abingdon. Temperatures right now generally in the upper 60s to some lower 60s across southwest Virginia in Wise and Marion. Checking out Max Alert Radar. Notice the heavy rain now, mainly from around the I-81 corridor south and east. Into Greene County, we've got heavy rain into Washington County and into portions of Sullivan County. Check out right here, just the south and east of Abingdon, some of the heaviest rainfall right now. This little downpour heading towards Damascus and right along Highway 91. So if you do have plans to travel this evening, give yourself a little extra time, especially traveling through the mountains if you're heading to North Carolina, because like you see a little bit of patchy fog through that region as well as the rain falls. How much rainfall have we seen today? Well, over half an inch already at the Tri-Cities Airport, and that number is likely to go up a little bit. This was the most recent observation at the top of the hour, and with rainfall still falling, wouldn't shock me if we get about 0.6 inches or so for the day. Through the rest of the evening and through the overnight, expecting temperatures to generally stay in the upper 60s to low 60s as you go towards Tuesday morning. There's a little bit of patchy fog likely developing as well. We're going to go for a morning low around 62 degrees across the region. Best chance of rain coming early into the overnight, and then rain chances diminishing a bit as we head into the later portion of the overnight. Now, we're not the only people dealing with rain. Check out the regional view. Look down to Alabama, Mississippi, down into Georgia. Lots of scattered rainfall around. A little bit of a trough of low pressure sits across the southeast, helping to pump some of that moisture up. And then a cold front stretching now across portions of central Ohio, triggering a few showers and thunderstorms. We're going to watch these as they move south and east. They could clip some of our southwest Virginia counties and maybe into southeast Kentucky as we go into the early portion of the overnight, between about 8 and midnight. We'll keep an eye on that, but otherwise, some scattered rainfall across the rest of the region and across the entire southeast. A very damp pattern, but hey, that's a good thing. Lots of southeast still dealing with a little bit of residual drought from last year. I know around here we would like a little bit of drier weather, and that drier weather is on the way. Check out locations towards Chicago, Omaha, and Wichita. All of that is heading south and east, and as we go into tomorrow, I expect some drier conditions, maybe an isolated shower or two for your morning commute. As you head off to work, may need the windshield wiper 1 or 2 times, but overall, I think most of the day tomorrow will be relatively dry, with a northwest wind helping to clear out the skies in the afternoon and helping to bring in a little bit of drier weather and less humid weather as well as we go into the overnight hours Tuesday into Wednesday. Wednesday looking beautiful, slight chance of a shower, but hey, less humid across the area. And that's a welcome sight. So if you need to wash the car, not a bad time to do it. Maybe go ahead and do it now, because we'll get a few days of some drier weather, especially Wednesday into Thursday with a spotty shower or two. Not out of the question, but overall rain chances not looking too high. The overall big story then, less rain for tomorrow. Temperatures generally in the upper 70s to mid 70s across the region. Kingsport, Johnson City, 76 degrees, 73 in Lebanon, and 75 in Abingdon. Looking for 73, Jefferson, Boone, 72 in Mountain City, and generally in the low to mid 70s as you go towards southwest Virginia, towards Jonesville, and up to Grundy. All right, let's talk about a little bit of a pattern change that's going to develop as we go into the weekend. We're going to start to warm up a little bit. We got a dip in the jet stream right now. That's helping to usher in cooler air. But watch what happens as we go into Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. We start to build this ridge across the eastern United States, and what that will do is usher in some much warmer air. Check out the 7-day and towards the end of the 7-day. You're going to notice some temperatures on there that are close to 90, if not 90 degrees towards Monday. And looking long term, it wouldn't shock me if we keep those 90s around for a while, even into next week. So we're going to deal with a little bit of below average temperatures and probably then average it out once again when we get 5 to 8 degrees above average next week.
You know, some of us may be getting that unintended car wash you were talking about.
I know. It's been nice. You haven't had to wash off your car, but you know, rain still brings down some of that dust and pollen out of the air. That's a good thing, though. All the rain, pollen levels pretty low. So
that is good news for allergy sufferers. All right, thanks.